Here we have another beautiful home. Great location as far as in the neighborhood. You can see there's an elementary school just down the road. Plenty of on-street parking in front of the home, as well as a two-car attached garage. Here in the entryway, just to the left, we have the first bathroom with upgraded countertops, upgraded floor, bathtub. Nice layout there. This is the first bedroom off the front of the home. Decent size, nice windows for light. This would be bedroom number two. Seem a little bit smaller than the other bedroom. Carpets in great condition. This is home actually has luxury vinyl floors as well. We're heading down to the basement, which is very, very unique, but a massive amount of space down here. Plenty of room for storage or really wherever else you can think of in this area. They went with the unique carpet choice down here. There is a bathroom, and this is a full bathroom because of the shower. And there's also storage, which is located here under the stairs, which is a decent amount of storage. And the way it's kind of set up would lead me to believe that maybe someone was using this as a additional living space or a bedroom. Still need some painting in this area, but extra storage nevertheless. And now we're going to head back upstairs. I would consider that basement partially finished. I wouldn't go route of that being a full finished basement. And here's another area. It's really set up to be more of an office. It could act as a dining room, but it's definitely an office space. Double doors. Again, you see the luxury vinyl essentially throughout on the main floor with the exceptions of the office and the bedroom. Beautiful upgraded kitchen. This home is move-in ready. Outside of maybe a deep clean, there's nothing that would need to be done to get furniture and things of that sort into this home and get you moving forward. Pantry here, open floor plan, gas fireplace, access to the backyard. This is the primary room. On the back side of the home, plenty of windows. This home is located off of Iliff and Buckley. As you can see, upgraded countertops, two sinks, a tub, shower, toilet. You do have a five-piece bathroom, walk-in closet. Again, plenty of storage. Access, so great space outdoors to take a break, relax, catch some sun. You see plenty of light this time of the year into this room, which is also unique, but that does mean you have a north-facing driveway. Here's where the washer and dryer would be located. Now, this floor in there is more of a vinyl than the true luxury vinyl we see here. That's it.